what they destroy in Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting, and the poor people them keep suffering. Hey! Phobia, race, killing, power, money, fame, the roads, the water, propaganda in health. Everybody now want to throw in the belt. Only gods know your pain, how you felt. Take this a waka, they buy the media. Money talks, me say bullshit walks. And when you see God come and destroy the earth, then we go see nasty man Ian Allen. Hog Puja, the unrulies only killing Rasta. Everybody taking, stealing what they want. Only time to tell them all their mother king mad. Mr. Ian Allen, I want $100,000 with you insurance and a van by. And the $30,000 I give you with my ex-father-in-law. You're a nasty man, boy. You're a fraud. You're a fraud. I got a war, boy. No. Tobago. Spread the video. The money you have, it can't buy life. You see what you have, it goes to your wife. Sharon's Auto, the big car dealer. Tongue inclination side for you blazing in fire. Senior policeman walking round the clock. Some of them take bribe, look they lost their walk. Two of them only holding each other. One kill one in Grand Bazaar. Olha, they can't take the truth, they can't take the music. $1 million and an all business place. I'm going and jam them by. Hey! No, Gary Griffith. Sir, I'm asking you a text here. I text you and I'm begging you and I'm talking to you, Mr. Gary Griffith. The man who going up on the TV and talking with the papers here, Trinidad and Tobago. Check out what it out, eh? Here how these people them texting and telling them my mother dead and bacchanal and thing. Trinidad and Tobago, all you'll watch and understand what really going on in this system, you know? Right? Watch it here. Leave my mother, leave my sister making innocent jail. They don't want to talk about them thing. When I asked Gary Griffin and Ian Allen to come about my mother, when Ian Allen went by Boise, dead man Boise coming for you by Ian Allen by everybody texting you and saying you're an ass. Douglas Thomas, he bad talking Manakali. I don't care. You know where they lock me up by? Douglas Thomas, I'm going and jam them. Somebody said they're going to put them in a hog mouth for me. The man take 20,000, 25,000 from two old people and Ian Allen backing the man all here. This man here, it's all over the media. Ian Allen backing, they put it up in the papers. Only I wasn't drunk for no drunk driving. It's the woman with the flowers outside on the road there, up the road, Miss Cynthia. The lawyer make a mistake. Trinidad and Tobago, up the road there, right? Wait, I was picking the flowers and a months ago, that is that. Me rather go through them things. So I chat with her mark, I sit here. They come for our warrant, I have it, I will show all you. Right? Them saying how I making threat and whatever. But Ian Allen, then you're backing them men them. You back Sharon Otto. When the thief man never boy, you that nasty man boy. I could still cuss all about you know when you do that? You tell them where I'm out there. So Ian Allen, all that set mark, come here for I to cuss the police, resist arrest. Get all them charges and go down by not stupid boy. I will come back out here and fight all them boy. No Trinidad and Tobago. I want to let you know. You see my mother was dead. This man they call Bull. Yes, I said be talking about Rakesh brother. I went and do prayers by he. And he died. His son died. The prayers them backfiring. Falcock prayers, blood prayers. Trinidad and Tobago. I went and picked flowers to my gods. And talking about the gods and they like that. He come in front here and talking about why he didn't come inside. Look the mother Kali outside there calling Kali. And you want to talk by the Obia coming for you right. The Obia coming for you. No, I want to begin today's teaching with a begging TV6. I don't get you with TTT. I go in to let the public know that anytime you see I'm talking for the world to know that Ian Allen is backing. He is a back Sharon Otto. Ian Allen, I call you to people. Madam Kamlan and the man they call Rampy. I want all of them to come in now. Hear it? Madam Kamla, I am not lying. I call you Madam Kamla. I cuss you for the right thing. what I believe in. Madam Kamla, do you have a voice note with the man? That rubber money, the man they call Das? And Madam Kamla, I get in the voice note where you're talking about to give him the work. With Saddam Hussein. When Saddam Hussein jamming him and saying he's a fraud, Madam Kamla. But all you want to say nothing. All you don't want to say nothing. Ian Allen back in the crook. The man said, the brother me, Carol Williams, go on the ground for warrant for flowers, boy. I put him on a block and I swear to the day without them. The lawyer make a mistake. All them drunk driving case dismissed years ago, boy. That is 4 months or 6 months ago up the road there. But I want day blocks. Big up the PEP. They was jamming them. They like that. You can't go and big up the PEP. They got Facebook blocking you. Now Trinidad and Tobago. Toronto auto rob my van for 100,000. And then Robert, Kokro cuss and give a key walking CFEP. So what about? And Daryl Duku cussing everybody. Ian Allen, you're going to lose. The gods them going and say, you do your crime, me not against you, but what against? I want my money. You see the pressure I went through, and then they're calling up my ex-wife name. But them don't want to ever hear you, boy. Them going to tell you put you down and hug mouth and thing because I don't do blood press. But the people they will jam you. That's where I want. Righteousness to learn we go. What about Anna Roberts? What about the man at Alwari? One of the policemen that he talk about Alwari and the children with the gun. About 1 month after bulletin he dead. The next one talk about something with cocaine in the tank, he come and dead. Dan Raj in the cell. Dan Raj not feeling well. And he only balling, oh, what an ass I am. But I don't get killed for murder, boy. I don't conspire for conspiracy and rob people. 2 80-year-old people, $25,000 and Ian Allen back in it. Joel Ramdas, I am a mission, boy. And all they can lock me up for, will they lock me up for again? I fight in my matter in court, by I go back on the 6th of November. And I have all my threatening. I have where he bringing down my character. I have with a man bringing down my character too. Threatening all my friends them. And saying he got plant gun. I have a recorded thing when I was calling. When the police come, everything recorded on the phone. When the police saying they got plant gun on me. I have the video. Trinidad and Tobago, Dave Singh. You understand? People who understand my mission here, they can't take the truth in them. Why they doing me that for? $25,000, they rob the people and crying, they go in the fraud squad. They don't go long, so go to the police station already. That is what I have that I stand up for poor people and doing the right thing. You come and you thief the people money with the check and everything and say you have all the people legal documents. That you're going by lawyer, Madam Mr. Rampy, Ramparus. When I tell you, well, Ian Allen by everybody going and saying, when they rest the handcuff and he's not a ball for chest pain, and everybody know what I'm singing it is true, they should lock up you on TV6 program director too. They go in and jam TV6 program director by for your shit on ways too. I know everything what's going on. I write the first song there, but you're nasty towards me. I suffer it in the bar, and they make sure I'm steep my van in the background and tell them, yeah, thief it. You want all the way. And you're backing up them fellas them. They come in and they give you a little cut and you're running away. The woman call you and you say you will call she back and you never call back. She called to tell you, the old people call it and they want to come on the program to talk about the same man. Ian Allen take a word. Jai Makali boy. Jai Makali boy. Jai Makali boy. Cussing my God, I will show you who is Kali. As someone said them. Come and foul egg. I go show you, boy. I go show you. All you come, bring things to me. I don't have nothing to go to court. Anything will be small thing like seat belt and whatever it is. And driving without seat belt. That is petty case, boy. Come and plan gun on me now. Come. Power's talking here there. All you can do, come and try to plan gun on me and carry me down. Mr. Gary Griffith, you see how them policemen move. They come towards me with a man and no message here. I have it proof. I text the commissioner of police with a voice note twice and I send the number for the lady away. Gary Griffin reading it, I go put it up live on the Facebook. How about begging the commissioner to get into the matter with my sister, with Ian Allen Blanqui, with the man they call Boise from Glenwood Trace, down in Karapi, Chima. When Gandhi hit the man a hammer in the head, And the man head boss up man when he go down Cuba. And he brother go to jam Dandy. Dandy them and carry him on top of it and kill him with his ledge. And he alone take $30,000 some week. That man they call Alan Ramlogan only 40,000 instead to come back for it. Alan Ramlogan is still say, they will give you the money. I talk all kind of thing about you and you never say nothing. The truth that offend and anybody who know they never come around because they feel in the spirit all there. They know what kind of suffering. I get a little small money in chop the money. That money cheer up all over and done. I owe it HCC. Madam Kamla them give me a nasty contract. I lost the money. When I keep begging PNM when I sing. And I jam them in I sing. And I jam in the ministers them all here like that. Trinidad and Tobago, I need help, and I'll let spread and keep supporting me. You better tell us something, I will bring an open all the eyes Trinidad and Tobago. The man they call Ramparas Rampi, who buy the camera for Ian Allen. Let me tell us something, it is alleged, it had some time in, when some big cocaine bus and Bacchanal and Shogunat police station are going to raise back up all them things, Mr. Ian Allen. Cocaine bus with Vidal, remember, and you was part of it. From Shogunat police station. I'm going to get all the police names, the put matter, and all we do, people come into there, is war. Come. Anytime you put me in court, I put you to court. I'm an artist. You can come in front of my place and film me in front of my place. I don't give a damn about who in high power. Cannot give me that. I have rights. And I am not a criminal. I have a warrant for flowers. When I didn't go to court, you come here with the fellas and them and Bacchanal and I owe him 25,000. The man don't want to pay it and Ian and them get cut. Just like Sharon Otto with my 100,000. He mixed them with frauds to make money. Because he said Sharon they give no money, he wouldn't reach no way. And he didn't get no money, nobody gave him money. But you that nasty man, boy. Come on, put me in jail. I don't deal with nothing. I don't deal with drugs. I don't beat cocaine out. Talking about my mother, Trinidad and Tobago. I can't get the text, boy. Viewer recording, and all you want to talk, matter dismissed the door. What drunk driving? Boy, all you getting crazy, or? Come I get any text here, boy? Feel like going through them when I'm shopping us all. Can't even see the blast the text. But Trinidad and Tobago go up here and watch. Go up here and watch and watch the man's name. Right? I don't care. I fighting that. I fighting here in court. It's on the papers. Shiva Buru. You know it, right? Shiva Buru, my partner. That thing is not that bad. That old warrant. We are talking him about shit about when you go back on the 6th. I have it there. We have the copy. It's not for the drunk driving Shiva. Thanks Shiva. And I don't care. I call in names. Shiva help me. It's true. Thanks to him. God will bless you, Errol Singh. Because all you know, all you help me with the chat monarch and we want to do something and we fighting for the right. PP, all you need to get a chance and come out here. Madam Kamla, I call her and Madam Kamla, I call her and Ramparas to come in to talk. And anytime you let talk in the pot. In the pot. Rampy, you know I'm good enough. You know I went through the Rampy. I cry for you, you know. I cry when they make a joke of my ex-wife and thing, you know. Ramparas, I say, come and cry for you, you know. You say, give me a walk, you know. You better talk to Ian and Mr. Rampy. Mr. Rampy, you know you used to laugh, I love you. I said, you know this, Edward Ramdas, I jamming them by. Edward Ramdas. Nastiness in high places, boy. Don't afraid to stand up for the waka, boy. It's the right to stand up for. You know that. I don't know nobody come around here, boy. I am righteous to try and tell you guys the voice of the people. Now the two people who he take, bam, took the money. They want their certificates, they want all the things. Alright. Voice note with Madam Kamla, organizing the voice note for she to say give him a chance for the court date. Gary Griffin, he robbed the old people and you back all who backing people for robbing that $25,000 for that old man. And they're backing that nasty man. You know, mother, oh God, my mother, that I'm going to sister making innocent jail. I'm coming for you, I'm coming out for your sister. If you're righteous sister, out you're coming. Let me tell you something. You see my mother calling them, they don't film me. All yeah. Don't play with God, boy. Watch how nice you're smiling. That's all I have been doing here all day. Praying whole day, Ian Allen know at home all day. Whole day he know at home. He know all we're going on. Let me tell you something, make her out. And when you interfere with God's children, you're going to get bite. Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago. Like, come on. But it's Kamala. Voice note. Your name calling. And if your name calling to them, back in Anthony Duff and he's a fraud. He was a Sharon Otto wife. When the time when I will pull it up on YouTube. You understand? I'm not going through them thing, but I'm not going through them thing. Right? I make all the threats, everything that's happening. It all over social media. It all over social media. And I have a program. I can't stop. This is where I getting money from Trinidad and Tobago. It's my Facebook where carrying me. It's a year now I'm doing this. I come in to talk positivity and stand up for poor people, and what it is doing. The whole point about it, the name of this video is using your power to hide the truth. Using your power to kill the truth. And I'm begging TV6 are going on TTT. Yay! I'm going on the TV and I'm talk. My lawyer had to talk. My lawyer had to talk for me. I did be praying by. It's when I lost my van and I lost all my money and I lost everything. I started to pray. When I started to pick flowers, the woman cost me for the flowers. We cost up that way the woman put me to court for. I see people dead in a plane crash. I reading horoscope this season. People are locked on for horoscope. I have some nice thing. Already water, you're gonna have a bomb somewhere in the water. I dream that. Me even knowing submarine and I was in jail. How I could know submarine and how I could know all them things. Pandit Sharma, and when you come and do a Lakshmi prayers again, sit down with me and you right here. And let me do a next Lakshmi prayers again, bro. I do one for some people here that I was calling it to attend it, but Ezekiel Clark attended it. Me Ezekiel Clark attend the prayers I do. And that's how everything runs. You say I'm mad and I'm cussing. I must cuss the police, but all they want to chain me up by. I want to let people know the truth. Let's spread this video. That is $25,000 and the insurance auto van. And when he drive the Range Rover and with Ramparas and some things in the cocaine. That is one of the mission what I know everything about. And I'm going to raise up all the topic and I'm going to jam you by. And you by. And you. Just like what you do me. Let me and them fellas them sort of we think, but you're back at them. Trinidad and Tobago, spread this video and name this video. They're using their power to kill the truth. Right? That is what I do. Let me see what I can hire. The documents, people want the documents. I get in recording of the police and what was going on and what they're doing in Trinidad and Tobago. People coming all on my house. My mother dead, they're saying things. I can't even get the text. So I'll go up on the papers and read all the text on them. And all they're going to understand what's going on here. So thank all very much. Spread the video. I come and here out for the people and them. All they come and doing prayers. People and them who come in, the lady who leaves she phone. My guy and his lover who come and just at the mother call for me, your phone safe. Look at here, lover. Are they ready? You come for your phone. I get back my 2 phone them, so I happy. Thanks God Griffin. I buy one thing with my computer and my phone. When we talk about that poor man, I couldn't buy on me no money. Mother Kali this that. Trinidad and Tobago, but a man is out and bad. Big up to Arnold Jordan. Let me let you know. Let me tell you how this court is before go. $100 a man make 3 weeks for. You see when the court out there and them men them went, take up their brother and thing. Because the brother is, the man who I follow up with, the brother is a police. And he come and he lock him up and thing. Them see that warrant out for that woman with Cynthia. Because they comment on the record, we have a warrant for him with Cynthia. What drunk driving? My lawyer make a mistake, do you understand? He say, me Cynthia, right? Okay, Brown. He say, I like to sing about the boss. Well, I sing a song about Ian Allen. You understand? So when they come now, they think and they put me down. Thursday I spend. They realize when I started write up the children, Anthony, that I go down side back and go take a little while. So they keep me from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Now when I come down now, nobody are coming because they know what's going on. They are calling nobody are calling. Thank God for Arnold Jordan and the gods them by. Because down the road I was going till the 28th. And when I come back and if it had 2 more people to see the magistrate again for petty thing, For petty thing I will be spending 3 and 4 weeks down in Golden Grove. Trinidad and Tobago. Thanks to my lawyer. I would pay him some money. He do it for me. God bless him by. I kneel long and pray for that man by. I love that man by. Crystal Lowe, love you sister. You know sis. The woman with the flowers. I love all the girl. I love all the boy. I love everybody who support me by. And everybody who know I'm mad and know all this and that. All watch man, what will it be? Steel and brass, bro. Edward Ram, that's why you is my brother by, and you don't worry and afraid nobody to, but you everybody who's always stand up for my brave by, stand up in the gods them all there. That's what I'm doing for. Right? And I will a man make $100, but when they want to do your weakness, I tell them, I will go down. And when I come down, they will shuffle me up. They will shuffle me up. You know, when they shuffle me up again, I go back down. Because they are bringing nobody in Shogunas, no prisoners in Shogunas. People crying. The next video I'm doing is Ballistas Behind Bars. I'm going to learn from Ramesh Lalan Maharaj to write a book about it. So Mahatma Gandhi make a jail, and he was a spiritual man. He reached in front of him with out a bottle. Marcus Garvey make a jail. Buju Banton make a jail. They say he lie and they put cocaine and thing on the man. So everything coming out, let them try to come and palm anything on me. The gods them go deal with them. That's why man just lose their lungs. Policemen and them who lock up, they dropping down and dead, foot swelling big. Sharon Otto, you're dead. Your brother dead. Eh? Everyone all look a black man, you're dead. I got to attack and you're dead. All don't come around with man people. It go back and my I was seeing everything. I don't know that woman. I didn't go. Pressure. I'm mad on the road. And they tell people to hell with that portable. I can't take it. I couldn't. I'm sick. Tripping off. And that's it's not a matter with no thing. So that is small thing, right, people? Like a man here, out here, I'm sweating. Let me see if I get up over here. My mother, boy. My mother case. I beg them when I get locked up to the night. I beg him to come. I used to sing and to do all the time. We say, give a man $1,500 by me a line. But I swear to the gods them. For the program with my extra line law. Harvey Matura. People have to understand by the method about even though I have a thing, you're not supposed to do. I keep begging all the and really good, really good. And when I started jamming, days we fall out because I realized he helping me. He backing them. So all I got know, thank you very much. Bless him.